Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You have a Tello drone and you want it to show like nicely in your office or your bedroom or your living room? Stay tuned. I've done reviews of Tello since the very first day it came out and I love it. Like I said in previous videos, I think it's one of the best drones you can get for around $100. Like really, very stable. Just look at my videos. Nice drone, but I don't like to have a nice drone really like laying like this horizontal on a table or on my desk or in my bedroom on a shelf. So I designed a nice stand, as you can see here, and you saw it of course on the picture on the thumbnail. So I've been learning Fusion 360 and my first project was the castle for Vector, and I decided to build or to design a little thing here for my 3D printer, my Ender 3, and as you can see, it's simple, but it took a while to design still because of the details here. It has fillets, for example. There's a nice T for a Tello. I added here rubber pads just to help with Tello holding here, and I have also felt pads here for so that it doesn't like move too freely on a desk. So Tello fits just like this, just like that. Look at that. It's nice. I think it's better to have it like this on your desk than having it flat. I'll put the file on CG Trader. Just to support my channel, guys, I'm going to charge $3, like only $3. That's the minimum you can put on a CG Trader. You'll see some files there are like $5,000. It's crazy what you can buy on a CG Trader. But for $3, you can download this. You can print it. It doesn't take a lot of plastic. I think this is like 50 cents of plastic. It takes about 2 hours to print. But I'll give the details on the parameters in the description on the CG Trader. So tell me what you think of my little stand in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope to see you soon on my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.